Hey everybody, St. Goddard here, and today we're reviewing a knit sash by Kit Designs. So as you may know, the main LARP that I play is a game called Amtgard. And in Amtgard, they have different classes that are set up, similar to Dungeons & Dragons, and you use sashes to show what class that you're playing. Each class has different colors, so like assassins are black, for instance, healers are red. Today, with me, I have a brown druid sash, which, if we're being honest, is all you really need, because druid is just the most OP class in the game. Pick this one, pick up a brown one, and you're set. Pretty much you don't need anything else. But if anyone ever asks me what sashes do I recommend, I always point them to Kit Designs, and I'll put her link to her Etsy down in the description below. But these are kind of unique, and they're not like any other sashes that I've ever really seen. See, most sashes that you can get in Amtgard are generally sewn. They are thin and flimsy, and they can go on, but like they don't really stay in place too well. As you're fighting and moving, they kind of flop all over the place. This one is a little different though. This one is knit, and it is out of macrame, and it's got some weight to it. And I really like it because not only does it stand out, it's durable, but it stretches a little bit too. So I have a warrior one of these, and if I put it on over my armor, it fits very, very well. And because it's got that extra weight to it, it doesn't flop around or slide when I'm fighting. And that's what I really want. And so with these, I'll just kind of put it on. You can see it here. Fits over like that. It goes down. It goes a little bit above my hip. But she has these in all of the classes in Amtgard, and if you are looking for a sash, I'd highly recommend these. Like I said, they're woven, or they're knit out of macrame. They are very sturdy, they're heavy, and I like that about them. We'll cut to some B-roll here, and I'll show you some of the things that I like about the construction on this. So, as you can see, the knit weave here is very consistent. It is also pretty stretchy, which I like also. It is connected down here, and you can see these are kind of melted. I've had this sash for a few years, have used it for a few years, and it has never even gotten close to coming undone. So it's going to be a very sturdy build for you. So if you were to ask me what sash would I recommend in Amtgard, I would say that these knit sashes by Kit Design are my go-to. Check her out on Etsy to get yours today. Want to go ahead and say, I guess, this is not a sponsored review. This is just my honest opinion. Like I said, it's something that I've used for a long time. Wanted to give you guys a review on it. So I hope you found this review helpful. We'll see you next time.